Hi, welcome back to today's lesson. Today we are going to look at elective maths 2025, written by Sereno, May, June, question number 10b. And the question is on calculus, that's integration. And this one is a definite integral. And the question is given that the integral P1 we have x squared minus 3x plus 1 dx is equal to negative 4 over 3, where p is an integer. Find the value of p. So this is our question. So as I said earlier, this is a definite integral. So first you have to first integrate this one. So let's integrate that. So we have x squared minus 3x plus 1 integral p1 dx is called minus 4 on 3. So we integrate this, and to integrate each of them term by term. So we have x squared. So when you integrate x squared, that's the power plus 1 over the answer that you get. So this one becomes plus 1 becomes x cubed on 3 minus this one will also give us 3x squared on 2 plus this one. You assume that you have x to the power 0 because any number raised to the power 0 except 0 is 1. So we have x with p and 1, that's our limit, is equal to negative 4 on 3. So at this stage, what you have to do is you substitute p into this minus, after you substitute 1 also into that, is equal to that. So we have substituting p, you have p cubed over 3 minus 3p squared over 2 plus p minus, this time we substitute 1 also inside, 1 cubed over 3 minus 1 squared over 2 plus 1, all equal to negative 4 on 3. So we continue to simplify that. So we have p cubed over 3 minus 3p squared over 2 plus p minus this is 1 over 3 minus 3 over 2 plus 1 on plus 1 equal to negative 4 on 3. So it means we have to simplify this side. We can simplify this. So the LCM for this one will be 6. 3 goes here. 2, we have 2 more, we have 2p cubed minus 2 goes into 6, 3. 3 times we have 9 minus 9p squared, then plus 6p minus the LCM for this one will be 6. Goes here 2. 2 times we have 2 minus this goes to 3, so minus 9 plus 6 equals minus 4 on 3. So we have 2p cubed minus 9p squared plus 6p all on 6 minus this one. We have 2 minus 9 will give us negative 7. Negative 7 plus 6, we have negative 1. So negative 1 on 6 is equal to minus 4 on 3. This you can multiply 2 by the LCM, and the LCM is 6. You multiply here by 6, here by 6, here by 6. So this 6 will cancel out. You have 2p cubed minus 9p squared plus 6p. This will also cancel that. So this and this will give you plus 1 equal to this will cancel that 2. So minus 8. So now next thing you bring this one here. So you have 2p cubed minus 9p squared plus 6p. This one coming to add is plus 9 equal to 0. Now the question is asking us to find p. And this one is giving us a cubic function. So it means that we have to factorize this one. We have to factorize this one to get our p. And to get p, it means we need one of them to be a factor. We need one of them to be a factor. So this one you have to go by using the trial and error to find out which of them will be a factor. So you can pick one, you can pick two, you can just test them to get a factor. So let me start with p equal to 1. P equal to 1, which is the same as p minus 1 equal to 0. So let me use p of 1. When I substitute and I'm getting 0, it means it's a factor. So p of 1 will give me 2, 1 cube minus 9, 1 squared plus 6, 1 plus 9. So with this, let me see, this will give me 2 minus 9 plus 6 plus 9. And this one I will not get 0, so because I'll get 8. Let me start go with p of 3. When I put 3 inside, 2, 3 cube minus 9, 3 squared plus 6 times 3 plus 9. So this will give me 27. 27 times 2 will give me 54. Minus this will give me 9. 9 times 9 is 81. And this will give me 18 plus 18. So when I add plus 9, so this and that will give me 27. 27 plus 54 is 81. 81 minus 81 is 0. So it means p equal to 3, which is the same as p minus 3 equal to 0. It's a factor. So it means if p minus 3 is a factor, then it means that I need to divide this equation by p minus 3. I need to divide this one by p minus 3 to get the other factors. So p minus 3 is dividing 2p cubed minus 9p squared plus 6p plus 9. So p goes into this. We have 2p squared. We have 2p squared. This multiplying that minus 6p squared. So we subtract this and that minus that, we get 0. Negative 9 minus will be positive, so we have negative 3p squared. Then I'll bring this plus 6p. This goes here, we have minus 3p. This time I have minus 3p squared plus 9p. So you subtract, and this you have minus, so you have minus 3p plus 9. This and that you have minus 3. This multiplied I have minus 3p plus 9. So when you subtract, you get 0, 0. So it means that the fact you have p minus 1 minus 3, then 2p squared minus 3p minus 6, minus 3, sorry, equal to 0. It means that we have to also try if you can factorize this. When you multiply 2 by negative 3, you get negative 6. Two numbers that multiply to give you negative 6, but add to give you negative 3. Do you have it? Two numbers that multiply to give you negative 3, but add to give you that. So it means this one is not factorable unless you go and use the formula. And it means that when you solve with the formula, you are going to get probably fractions and so. But the question here is saying that p is an integer. So if p is an integer, it means the whole of this one will not work for p being an integer. So therefore, p minus 3 should be equal to 0. Therefore, p is equal to 3. Since we want p to be an integer, the final answer becomes p is equal to 3. Continue to subscribe to Francois Maths Class on all our social media channels. Have a nice day and bye-bye.